Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vine leaves with paper. Fold a 6-inch square into a sharp diagonal and crease to form a simple base. Pinch the center vein, trim rounded lobes, and add small cuts for natural texture. Paint or ink veins with a fine brush, then curl edges gently to add dimension. Repeat and attach leaves to a paper vine for a lovely display. Create the leaf shape by folding and refining edges with a few careful cuts and creases. Keep your folds sharp and symmetric so each half mirrors the other. Work slowly when forming the central vein, as it makes the leaf look realistic and gives strength for attaching. Lightly distress edges with sandpaper for an organic look, and blend colors with a dry brush for subtle variations that read well on camera. Attach each leaf to the stem using a dot of glue at the base, then hold briefly until secure. Stagger leaves on alternating sides to create a natural vine rhythm and vary angles for authenticity. If using wire, wrap with green floral tape to conceal joins and add stability. Finish by shaping the vine into gentle curves and step back to adjust spacing until the composition feels balanced and lively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.